Okay, so we call a plus b, this is a binomial, and binomial's power, and there's a rule. And then Pascal find it out first, ahead of me, but I found out in the middle school, and then I shared with my friend. I was so happy, but when I went to the high school, I figured it out. Somebody did that first, okay? But anyway, so you guys are practice like that, and then you can find the rule, before you learn it, okay? So let's do it. So a plus b squared, anything to the 0 power is 1, right? And then a plus b 1 power is just itself, a plus b. But after that, we just did it so that a plus b squared, then maybe you can FOIL it and cube, you do it, and 4th power and 5th power you do it. And just they found out coefficient number will be follow this pattern. And then this one we call it Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle is like this. You write it because anything to 0 power is 1, write 1 there. And 1 power is 1, 1 there. After that, you square, right? So a plus b squared. Then you write it 1 outside. And middle term is you just add it. Okay? And when this cube, you write it 1, 1 here. You add it 3 and 3. Got it? And 4th power, you write it 1, 1. You just add it 4 and 4. And 5, 1, 1, 5, 10, 5. Oh, I forgot this is 6 right there. So this is a 4, but this is a 6. This is 4, and then 1 there. And 1, this is 5, this is 10, 10, 5. Everybody got it? This is called with Pascal's triangle. So this, write it. When you calculate binomial's power, you can use this Pascal triangle first number. Okay, so let's practice this one. And do you remember, actually we did this 4th power, so z minus 2 4th power. Let's calculate this one first. To do it, 4th power, do you remember? So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, that's a 2. 1, 1, that's a 3. And that's a 3. 1, 1, that's a 4. 6, 4. So this is power. And then that's the number. You're going to write it. So what I'm saying, this is 4th power. Then starting 4. So 1, 1, 4. Write it 6, 4, 1. So, right, I'm going to write it. Oops. So I'm going to write the reading coefficient 1, and then 4, 6, 4, 1, right? And in order to separate the term, I write it plus sign. That means now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms will be there when this is 4th power. Everybody got it? Now, because there's a 2 term, each I write it 2 parentheses multiplying right there, each terms. And then this one, right? Let's write it right there. Everybody got it? And then I write it first some here, z, and then here minus 2, z minus 2, z minus 2, and z minus 2, z minus 2. Okay? And then when you do that, this starting to the 4th power. And then after that, descending order. That means 4, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, up to 0. Got it? But second term minus 2, starting from 0. Ascending order. 0, that means ascending 1, 2, 3, up to, when this is 4, that's 4 power. Got it? Everybody clear? Now, each term, this, 2, 3, 4, 5, each term you need to calculate, but when you calculate all the time, parentheses first, and then exponent. Okay? So let's calculate exponent each. So anything to 0 power is what?
0.
1.
No, 1.
1.
So anything to 0 power is 1. So 1 times anything just 1, so you can just ignore that. So this is easy. 1 times g to the 4th power, answer is g to the 4th power on this, right? But here, this is negative 2, right? So negative 2, and then this g to the 3rd power is just g to the 3rd power, and plus 4 there. So when you multiply, 4 times negative 2, so negative 8 g to the 3rd power. Got it? But when you do this, let's calculate this first. Minus 2 square, that become 4. And that's g square, and that's 6. So that all multiply. So 6 times 4, 24. Plus 24 g squares. And then here, minus 2 to the 3rd power, minus 2 3 times. Minus 2 minus minus 2, so minus 8, right? And then, and z in the middle, and then 4 here. So negative 8 times 4, minus 32 z, right? And then plus g, anything 0 power is 1, this is 1. So 1 time, minus 2 to the 4th power, 16. That's the answer. Much easier than you do foiling 9 terms, right? So that's why more convenient. But sometimes can be a little bit confusing. So I'm going to do one more for you guys, and then you guys practice. So I want to do this. So this 3, then this 2, until you do what? Second term 3. When this 3, second term 3, that's how you need to write it. So what I'm saying, I'm going to write 1, 3, 3, 1. So 1, 3, 3, 1 with a space. And then you put out of it, I put the plus sign. So there will be 4 terms. Everybody clear? Mm-hmm. And now 3x is first term, minus 2 second term. So I'm going to write it with the 2 parentheses. And there I'm going to put it 3x first one, and then second term minus 2. 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. And then the first term from this 3 descending order, right? So this 3 then starting 3, 2, 1, 0. Got it? And then negative 2, negative what? From 0, right? From 0, ascending order. 1, 2, 3. Everybody got it up here? And then let's calculate parenthesis first. So this is a 1. This is what? 3 multiplied 3 times. This is a 9. Okay? This is a multiply 3 times. That's 27 x cubed. Got it? Mm-hmm. And here 9, right? 3 was there. 9, 3 times 3 is 9x squared times minus 2. So I'm going to multiply this one first. 3 times minus 2, minus 6. 6 times 9, 54 x squared. Got it? I'm going to multiply this one, minus 2 squared, that's 4. And this is 3, just one time. So 3 times 3x times 4. I might multiply this one first. 9. 9 times 4, 36x. Got it? And this, anything 0 power is 1. So 1 time, negative 3 to the third power, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. That's what? Minus 8. That's the answer for this F.